Hi, welcome to this introduction and quick start guide on the SKC AirChek XR5000 Sample Pump. In this video, we'll cover its functionality, operation, flow rate, timed runs, locking and unlocking the unit, and what comes in the kit. The SKC XR5000 is a constant flow air sampler capable of operating between 5 mils per minute with a low flow adapter to 5,000 mils per minute, suitable for both low flow vapor gas sampling and high flow particulate sampling. It uses an isothermal flow sensor and an automatic temperature compensation to maintain accuracy across changing conditions. When hiring the SKC XR5000 from AirMet Scientific, the kit will include the XR5000 sampling pump, either a 5-way or single charger depending on your needs, the NADA certified calibration certificate. Optional recommended accessories include the low flow calibrator and SKC media sampling kits. Before we begin, let's take a look at some of the features of the XR5000. The pump has a simple, easy-to-use keypad with 3 main buttons: the main start key, the up arrow, and the down arrow. These buttons allow you to access all functions of the pump. To power on or off your SKC XR5000 pump, press and hold the star key until the display shows on. To change the flow rate on your SKC XR5000, ensure the pump is in a non-running state. Press star, up, down, star on the keypad in sequence in order to enter the user setup functions. Use the star button to scroll through the display until it says adjust flow. Using the up or down arrows, adjust the flow rate and verify the new flow rate with a calibrator or flow meter. Pressing the up and down arrows together will accept the flow setting and exit the user setup. To start an untimed run, simply press the up and down arrow keys together. Setting a timed run. With the pump in a non-running state, press star, up, down, star to enter the user setup. Scroll using the star key until you see set timed run. Use the up or down arrows to change the number of minutes from 1 to 9,999. Press the up and down arrow keys together to accept and exit. Then start the timed run by pressing the up and down arrow keys together. The pump will now run until the time elapses and then will automatically stop. During the run, the blue LED will flash and the display will show the time remaining. The XR5000 is also capable of a run delay for DPM or asbestos sampling events. To set a run delay, go to the user setup and scroll until you find set run delay. Using the up or down arrow, set the time delay minutes. Press the up and down arrow keys together to accept. Then pressing up and down together on the main screen will initiate the run delay. The pump will then wait and start running automatically once the delay has passed. The lock and unlock feature is really useful in the field, as it stops any accidental changes to your settings. To lock or unlock your pump, press the down arrow 5 times quickly. When the unit is locked, a flashing L appears on the screen. Thanks for watching this quick start overview of the SKC XR5000 air sampling pump. For more information, or if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet team on 1-800-000-744.